Welcome to Woopify, the app that enables you to import the WooCommerce library into your Shopify store with one click. Also, streamlines the sorting of your product variants, saving you significant time and effort. First, get your REST API from your store. Here you can find WooCommerce detailed documentation on how to get your REST API keys. After that, make sure that your Shopify store is connected. If it's not, you can click the Reconnect button. Once the configuration is done, you are ready to import or sort any products at any time. Let's start by the import functionality. Once on this tab, click on Load WooCommerce Data to fetch your WooCommerce products and categories. After your data is fetched, you can choose between importing all you products at once, and this option will bring your whole products with their categories. Or you can just select a category and go with it. For this demonstration, I will select one category. After you approve the app, we'll start creating your products inside Shopify with all their descriptions, prices, variants, and images. And it will automatically assign them to their appropriate categories. Once the imports start, you can leave the app and continue your work. It may take some time, depending on several factors like the number of the products, the size of the images, etc. This section displays all the logs of the processes you initiated. It serves as a useful tool for users who want to monitor their work. After the import process is completed, you can go to your Shopify products and you will find your imported products there. Also, the app will convert the WooCommerce categories to Shopify collection and keep everything organized. Now let's discover the variant sorting functionalities. Go to the Variant Sorting tab. Starting by the first sort option, Reverse Order. This option allows you to reverse the current order of one or multiple products, no matter what is it. The second option is Smart Order. This option is great for users who have variants that are messy. For example, a shoe size that's showing 42, 39, 41, 40. It will automatically correct the order, either ascending or descending. The choice is yours. And the last option is self-explanatory, sorting in alphabetical order in case you have ABC variance options. And also, you can do it either ascending or descending. For the selection mode, you can choose either by product or by category, or simply sort everything in your library. If you choose Select Products and clicked Load Products, the app will detect all products that have a variant and list them so you can choose the products you want to sort. You can select one or multiple products. Or you can choose Select Collection. And this option will allow you to list all the collections in your store that have sortable variants, and same as products. You can select one or multiple collection at once. And finally, Sort All Products. This will search all your products and collections and sort any product with variants. For this demonstration, we will sort one product. We will open the product we selected to see how the variants change after we run the sorting process inside the app. You can see here, the shoe size variants are listed from big to small. You will notice that the size variant will change the order after we start the sorting process. And same as importing. Before any job, we will give you a detailed notification about the process you are about to run. In the logs, you can view the status of the processes you've run, along with their history. Now, let's go to the product page and refresh it. You'll see that the order has been successfully updated. You can read more about the application on the documentation website of the application. That concludes our walkthrough of the Woopify-Sync app. Thank you for your time, and we hope this tutorial helps you get the most out of the platform.